Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, things are looking weak. Triple Q gapping down. Amazon, Nvidia and Tesla all gapping down. I think today should be a red day for the markets. So going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon and Tesla. We do have around 5 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Tesla. Waiting patiently. Around 8 seconds for this candle to close. Not getting an entry. Waiting for a green candle. $25.20. Placing an order. Yep, I'm in. $26.35. Wow. That was a perfect trade. Making close around $180, I'll be happy with it. I got in around $25.20. The low was exactly $25.20, so nailed the entry. And I got out around $26.10. So I think I'll wrap it up for today. I do have some other stuff that I need to take care of, so I may have to close the trading for the day. Overall, a decent day of trading, making close to around $180 in less than 15 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.